Alright guys, behind me in this tent right here, we have our new build for our channel, our new project, something unique, something different, and I think you guys will love it.
Finally a sunny day for us to work in. We're gonna address the Subi, see what's going on, show you guys a little bit more.
We did have to take all the seats out so they won't get imperfections in it because they just shoved everything in there, but we got everything out as much as we can. We have these moldings out here so they don't get imperfected, because if you do let moldings and stuff sit, they'll have like little dents and whatnot. You don't want none of that.
I want to show you guys how well the insurance company did.
Well, insurance company, some kind of shop or something that took this apart or something.
Yeah, somebody did a great job. Well, I'm thankful for Progressive. They did, so shout out to Progressive, you know what I mean? Shout out.
So we're gonna go ahead and pull it outside so we can start taking it apart in more room and visible lights. So let's get to it. It's a race car.
Golly, this thing is pretty throaty for a stock exhaust.
Sounds pretty good.
It's still in high rev mode right now. I think it's gonna drop to 1500 RPM. Boost is at -10. I like that little boost gauge, it's pretty sweet.
Yeah, a little digital boost gauge. First time I've ever seen that.
Look at this mirror though, it's like, no, it's like seamless. That's pretty cool.
It's pretty big. See, we're not used to anything new, so.
Right, this is a 2017, man. Only 17K miles.
Look, they still have the oil, next oil change 20,000 miles, certified.
Alright guys, before we continue unraveling the Subaru, if you're in the market for a new or used car, be sure to check out carmarshal.com. The link is going to be down below. They help you buy new and used cars.
Alright guys, so when we got this car home, we assessed everything what was here. They took apart these doors and everything on the inside right here, and luckily we thought nothing was here whenever we got the car, but we opened the trunk and in the back seat they had everything here. They even had it labeled. That's pretty cool. Look, left hand rocker, moldings, everything.
All the moldings
they have
here,
everything.
dude.
That's pretty cool. We're pretty excited about that because that saves us a ton of money. When we were bidding on this thing, in the pictures, a lot of stuff was missing. The tail lights, the headlights, the rear bumper, and these doors were just sitting here. It looked like everything was missing. So
it looked like they were trying to cover something up right here because the door was just propped up on it right there.
Yeah, so we got a good price for it. We did take a huge risk on buying this car, but as you can see, it turned out really great. And right here's your main damage. It looked like it got hit in the door right here, and it pushed this hinge in right here. This needs to get pulled out. Not much work right here. We have talked to a body shop, and they looked at it. One guy came and checked it out, and he said this is not much work. So we'll get that done. That's the first thing we'll get done, and then we'll need to order some doors,
which we have ordered.
Which we have ordered. We called around, we got some good prices. We ordered 2 doors, not the same color, they're used, and we had to get a front bumper because the front bumper was missing on this thing, and the headlight was missing also, but luckily it was in the back of the car. We found everything, so all we need is just the front bumper, and which we went ahead and placed an order on one too, so that should be in soon. Yeah,
so the front bumper is on order. We will also have to find all the knickknacks that go onto the bumper, like the grill, the fog lights, miscellaneous stuff.
Well, other than that, it's really nothing.
Yeah, so the main thing for us to do would get the doors, get that pulled out on a frame machine or something, and get the door aligned perfectly, and then
paint it.
Yeah, and then we'll just sand the doors and paint it, and possibly blend it right there on that quarter panel somewhere possibly. But that's just the simple stuff. The main thing would be to get the doors and get the gaps aligned.
All right guys, so the complete interior was in the car. We got it all laid out. We took it all, trying to see what we have and what we need to salvage, and pretty much we have all the seats. Everything's in great condition. They even took like the doors apart. So look, they got the motor,
and they got it all labeled. So that's awesome, dude.
Somebody, like, look at this, a nice like smart shop or front, somebody did a good job. They labeled everything, so that's pretty cool. That's gonna help us out a lot.
Oh yeah,
the door panels are pretty good.
They're in great condition. They just got a little scuffed up when they put all the parts in the vehicle, but that's no problem. We'll probably throw some carbon fiber wrap on that or something.
They got our good seat belts.
Seat belts are good. I thought they would have been busted.
Yeah, rocker molding, it's all good. Inner fenders, I'm surprised they had all this, so we were pretty surprised on this.
So we got all the parts there. We're not missing anything of the interior. So
this is a 2017 Subaru WRX. It's the first all-wheel drive our channel is gonna own. It's our first time ever experiencing with all-wheel drive, so we're learning this together. We're gonna learn how it drives, how it handles. And it is the WRX. That means it comes standard with a turbo, flat 4 cylinders, and it's 6 speed. So that's pretty cool and unique. We never owned one, so let's pop the hood and show you guys what's under there. It does have this nice hood scoop right here. It looks really good, I think,
For that top mount intercooler.
yeah. It is a boxer motor. I guess these Subarus all come with boxer motors. I don't know. Correct.
2.0, right?
Yeah, correct me if I'm wrong, but that's an intercooler.
Yep. With a ding, ding, ding.
If you know anything about Subarus, help us out. Let us know any new details that we don't know, what they offer and what they don't offer. What do you think we should do to it?
We have a lot of things planned for this, honestly. First main thing to do would be to get it fixed and driving stock pretty much. If you guys really want to see us build this car and mod it, be sure to support us on Patreon, guys. You guys are gonna make this happen. You guys are gonna help build this project and we're gonna make this thing absolutely scoot. What do you guys think we should do to this car? I mean, we got a few things in mind, maybe a tune, maybe an exhaust and intake, cold air intake, stuff like that.
It's kind of like a dark metallic gray.
Dude, I love the color on this thing. It's like I'd say it's like gunmetal.
Yeah.
Gunmetal.
It looks great. Let's get close on that.
Yeah, it looks great. Oh, before you go anywhere,
Yeah.
on the headlight, we're thinking about throwing in a LED C light, which is gonna look awesome. So that's gonna be probably like one of the upgrades that we do as soon as we complete the car. So this car is just absolutely beautiful. I like the little vent it has here, WRX, kind of flared out.
Yeah, that looks pretty good.
I love that. The body kit, or the, what do you call this, rocker panel, kind of flared out, makes it look awesome. Looks aggressive.
Oh yeah. This car has a lot of nice lines and
Oh yeah,
whatnot.
body lines are just popping and stuff. I like the quad exhaust.
Yeah, it does look good. The rear end does look good.
You know what would look good on this thing?
What?
STI spoiler.
STI spoiler? Yeah, they do look pretty good.
That looks pretty clean though, too, also just because it's stock WRX.
Yeah,
But
let us know in the comments below if you think we need to put a STI spoiler on this. We don't want nothing too big and too aggressive. Just something nice and sporty.
Maybe a little racing tail light right there.
What is that? Just a vent?
Yeah. If you could pop it out or something.
I wonder if they have racing lights for that. You know, comment below.
Yeah, let us know. All the Subi guys.
Any Subaru fans out there, give us some knowledge on these cars. What's the best thing to do to these cars when you first get one?
I'm really interested in the stock power this thing has. Can't wait to get it running and driving on the road. It just needs a few tweaks, that simple stuff, and this thing will be on the road as soon as possible.
Yeah, we're gonna do a full review on this car. I know there's reviews on YouTube, but like
You want to see the Goon Squad style.
the Goon Squad review, I don't know, we might beat on it a little bit, see what kind of power it can make.
All right, guys, so we're gonna pull this rear bumper off. We're gonna do a few things here and there. Another awesome thing that they did was they included all the brackets for like the headlights and the tail lights. So we got the headlight bracket right here. Got a ton of different brackets, as long as they're here somewhere.
That's it.
Nice. Just gonna piece a few things in. We're probably gonna put this headlight in also. What, even this, that's a bumper bracket also.
Yeah, they even got this bumper bracket. Goes like that.
Cool. Pop that in right quick. Also, we were kind of sketched out if this was here or not, but luckily that was.
All right, guys, so we found the state of Georgia traffic crash report. I don't know if we should be able to show them. Like, I'll just read it.
Yeah, right. Yeah, just read it off.
So apparently a Ford Explorer hit this thing, a 2002 Explorer Sport. I don't know if it says how they hit them. Doesn't say anything. This is from the Georgia State Patrol. But there was a driver and a passenger in here. Or there was just a driver here and there was a driver and passenger, and the Ford Explorer doesn't really specify.
They do got some paperwork here, I guess, like all the OEM booklets and stuff. So, factory, Subaru, got the little STI, WRX STI booklet.
Hey,
What?
this is the place that took this car apart. Gerber Collision.
What do we need? Call them up and ask them for the bolts?
Call them up and ask them for the front bumper.
Oh, dude, that'd be so sick. You want to call them? Got all the maintenance records here. So this thing's been maintenance regularly. So that's a good thing to know, always. Heck, they even changed a little bulb or something. Driver tag light change. Good to go, Subaru. Everything was checked. Tire depth, axle boots, brake pads, axle boot, tire depth.
They're an hour and 30 minutes away from here.
Good afternoon, thank calling Gerber Collision Woodstock. This is Jay. How can I help you?
Hey, I had a vehicle there, 2017 Subaru WRX, and I wonder if y'all still have the front bumper that y'all took off of it over there.
I highly doubt it. How long ago was it here?
A
Couple months.
couple months ago.
Yeah, no, we don't keep those. We pretty much get rid of all those kind of things as soon as we're done replacing them.
And they just totaled it out, and I didn't grab the front bumper from y'all.
No, we don't keep that kind of stuff. I'll double check with my manager, but I'm almost positive we get rid of all that stuff.
Oh, I just wanted to check.
Sir?
Yeah.
Okay, two things would have happened. We definitely don't have it, but usually if the car gets totaled out, any kind of parts that were loose on it will either get tried to be put back on the car before the tow people come and pick it up, or thrown in the back seat of the car if it's too much not to put back on, and then the tow company takes it with the car. So either they took it or it got, discarded, but we don't have it.
All right, appreciate it.
No problem. Bye-bye.
Bye. It was worth the try.
Yeah, it's worth a try for an OEM bumper, but that's all right. So what are we gonna start doing?
We're gonna put in the headlight, try to put that in, and secure the tail lights and the rear bumper. We're gonna go ahead and throw all that on. All right, guys, so we are missing the bolts that they took off the front end, so we're probably gonna run to the junkyard and find a Subaru and take off like these bolts up here. See, we need some of these, some black ones for the headlights, and some 10s that go on this bracket and whatnot. We're gonna just go there and collect some bolts, I guess.
Gotta walk through the aisle of beds.
Look at that color.
Oh, dude, I about missed it, dude. Dang, look at this Civic, guys, man. This thing is sick. The color on it is just awesome, too. Got a little Mini Cooper right here. Little drop top.
Yeah.
Drop top.
Where the Subarus?
Got the old original chopped in half truck. Got the Ford van, Starcraft. Looking for the Subarus. Can't seem to find a Subaru, but we just come across something pretty cool also. Oh man, not even a 5.0.
What is it, V6?
Probably, yeah.
You don't know?
Or it's the Force. I didn't even look at it, but
You blind?
let me check for you. Automatic.
V6.
V6, yep.
Garbage.
Yeah, it's like one of the crappiest engines, I'd say. Base interior. Alright guys, we're looking for another Subaru, but we couldn't find it, so we're gonna keep looking, but just came across this sheriff deputy car right here. Look at that. Marion County. And then I also found this thing right here. Like a $30 bracelet I'm hearing, so I'm just gonna throw that on my hand, see how much he wants for it. Probably give it to me for free. Well, he better. It's mine now. Skid it. Skid it. I don't know. No, it's a little bit different. It's not. It's like a more. I don't know. It's not as bright, vibrant. It is a different color. So we found a couple bolts, and I think we should be good to go. What the heck is this? Somebody making a bong?
Rats. Don't touch
Oh yeah.
that.
Ugh. So we got what we needed, and now we're out. Go put them headlights back together and stuff like that. Peace. That's about the only thing that I found there. We found a couple bolts in the garage that matched up because we couldn't find the Subaru that we needed. Let's slap it together.
Slapper.
Slapper doodle.
I'm sure you would have to adjust this later.
Possibly. Possibly.
Probably and
Probably and possibly. That's a new word.
Possibly. Oh.
Oh, that goes on first and then the bracket? The bracket just supports it from the bottom.
Possibly.
Alright, so we just pop that headlight in, bolt it down. Let's see if it works now. Yes, sir. Alright, so now that we installed the bracket there, we got to bolt it down. We found some random bolts that just fit right in. And now we're going to install the bumper.
Watch the exhaust tips first. Really tight.
That's the rear end there. Subi gang.
we gave the car a quick wash to clean it up from all the dust and whatnot. We pieced together the front bumper and the headlight and everything that we can for right now, because we are waiting on the doors to come in. So that will be in the next video, is when we get the doors, pick them up, and start working on the body work and whatnot. All right guys, so stay tuned, like and subscribe, and hit the post notifications button to watch this WRX get built. If you want to support the channel, please go down in the link below and become a Patreon, and it'll help us create better content for you. If you like sneak peeks, go visit our Instagram at goonzquad. The link is down below. And also be sure to visit goonzquad.com to get you a hat or a shirt. It'll help support our channel and everything that we do. So guys, stay tuned and we'll catch you next time. Peace.